me get a beat, I kick it funky like feet. Let me get a beat, I kick it feet like. Let me get a beat, I kick it funky like feet. Let me get a beat. Let me get a beat.
Welcome to Giraffe360 Q2 new product release event. We are back and stacked with many outstanding product releases. For this release event, the central theme is Giraffe360 Rapid AI. This year alone, it has increased the speed of picture and 3D processing 8 times. But that's not everything. We're also creating new sets of tools and content formats on top of it. So today we want to show you AI-generated property description, AI tool for sky replacement, and as we are on the AI thread, we also wanted to show you NeRF. We think it's a future of 3D property experience. Even though it's not a product that's available for you yet, we're having lots of fun with it, and we wanted to give you a glimpse of what the future might bring. Other updates for today, we want to show the new virtual tour interface, some of the updates we have done for the Go camera, as well as the market development in Europe. Let's get going. Pleasure. The core idea behind Giraffe360 is to simplify property capture. Hence, we built a camera with a simple to-button interface. And we have built this black box that does magic-like things, seamlessly takes data from the camera and converts in a variety of different contents. Internally, we have been calling this tool Giraffe360 Rapid AI. And this is our amazing and smart AI team. We have spent many years now building this AI technology and have developed lots of proprietary knowledge in this space. These are some of the complex problems we are solving using the machine learning algorithms.
Introducing automated property descriptions. Descriptions that highlight the most captivating aspects of properties to provide clarity and convince clients. Powered by a GPT neural network, our technology generates proven, sales-driven property descriptions. By harnessing the power of camera 3D scans, we extract valuable insights, including area information, floor plans, and even detected furniture arrangements. We take it a step further by automatically incorporating detailed information about the surrounding areas, such as hospitals, schools, and popular tourist attractions. You can enhance these generated descriptions by adding your own details, and you have full control of editing them according to your preferences. Change text style, language, and optimize it for social media. Then bring these descriptions to life by automatically generating an audio narration, providing the perfect voiceover for promotional videos and listings.
Superb location. Step inside to a welcoming hallway that leads to a cozy open concept living area. The room features distinctive arched windows that pour in ample natural light, illuminating the kitchen space. Equipped with modern amenities, a conveniently located bathroom with a shower is also available on this floor. The 2 spacious bedrooms are situated on this floor.
This advanced machine learning system prioritizes convenience, simplicity, and speed, enabling you to effortlessly achieve captivating property descriptions. Simply press Scan on the camera, and you'll receive the perfect description, ready for publishing. We are also experimenting with novel methods in how to virtually present properties in a more tactile and realistic way, like using neural Radiance fields. Here we use multiple 2D stills and panorama images to calculate the 3D Radiance field that encodes information, such as realistic lighting and reflections, which regular 3D models cannot easily do. The end result is incredibly realistic, enough to help you market properties online in a truly unique way. Photographing a property, your days of waiting for nice weather are over. Introducing Blue Sky Replacement. Our latest product update allows you to replace dull, cloudy skies with attractive blue skies in all external photographs. The artificial sky will be selected automatically based on the color that best suits your image. The few clouds that are included will vary in their position and shape, but the tonalities of all skies will remain consistent. So your listings look bright, beautiful, and natural. And once Blue Skies is added to your account, it will automatically be applied as a standard going forward. Create better property photography with Blue Sky replacement. After all, Blue Sky thinking makes for Blue Sky listings. We have more than 30 machine learning models in production that do multiple things. A section of these analyze properties for floor plans. Model 1.0, Room Segmentation. Segmentation starts with analyzing each room separately to understand what type of room it is: kitchen, bathroom, etc. Then we find the corners and walls of the room, as well as highlighting the windows and doors, identifying in which direction they open. Model 1.1, Furniture Detection. We must also detect all the relevant furniture in the property, as well as the location of staircases. These are required for accurately placing all the relevant icons in your floor plans. Model 1.2, Stair Detection. To automatically place staircases in your plans, we need to know where and how big the stairs are. We also need to identify their type, the location of the first step, and whether the stairs have an opening beneath them. All this information is automatically gathered using panorama images. Model 1.3, Tracking. To generate a floor plan layout and combine the separate rooms, we need to track where a camera is within a specific property at all times. We do this using sensors on the cameras. Now let's have a look at some of the image processing machine learning models that we have been working on. Model 2.0, Camera Removal. In virtual tours and photography, we remove camera reflections in mirrors and other reflective surfaces using segmentation and inpainting technology. Model 2.1, Face Detection. We automatically detect faces, picture frames, and registration plates to account for GDPR concerns so that private photos are automatically blurred out in the most aesthetic way possible. Model 2.2, Nadir Infill. We use machine learning to inpaint the blind spot region under the camera so the black region isn't visible in any of your content, like in the virtual tours during transitions. Model 2.3, Exposure Fusion HDR. The camera gathers raw data across various exposure levels. This data must be combined to form an image of the best possible quality. In this process, care is taken to avoid over-brightening around windows and to ensure that details are captured in darker areas. To achieve this, a machine learning technique called window segmentation is applied. Model 2.4, Tone Mapping, Color Correction. Tone mapping is the second step in the color correction process. It corrects and improves colors by making images lighter and more saturated, giving them more pop. We regularly alter this in accordance with user feedback and train our models on data that is based on reference images. Although it seems like AI can do almost everything, it's not perfect. That's why our in-house quality control and processing team here in Liepāja are on hand ready to deal with special cases.
Hello everyone, I'm Andia, a product analyst at Giraffe360. I'm happy to present to you our new virtual tour updates. We decided that our virtual tour needs a facelift, keeping it simple but improving the design and its usability based on client feedback about it. The end user will now be able to copy the link to exactly the view they have open, as well as performing updates to design details such as the icons to make sure that our virtual tour UI will aesthetically blend in with multi-million decorative properties, whilst also being functional for a building site walkthrough. The redesign takes into account the new features that we are actively working on. Our new call to action functionality is designed to replace our chatbot feature and is free of charge. It consists of 2 layers, one for you and another one for your clients. When a viewer enters the virtual tour, a notification pops up after 30 seconds, guiding them to an info button. By clicking the info button, they can access detailed information about the property. Additionally, if they're interested in the property, they have the option to fill out a form with their contact information, which allows the agent to reach out to them. As for you, you have the ability to edit all information in the virtual tour editor and choose what you want to showcase, as well as customizing the fields in the contact form. For instance, you can choose not to ask end users for their phone number, but instead ask for their email address. Additionally, you can add your own contact information so that customers don't have to fill out the form manually. We've also created an additional link available in the virtual tour sharing section. When you open a virtual tour using this link, it will be displayed without any branding, contact information, or active links to ensure compatibility with as many listing sites as possible. We expect this to be especially useful for our US clients who are using MLS to publish listings and require no branding. So now with these two links, you will be able to use the standard one with branding in your social media, as well as use the non-branded one in listing sites or any other situation where you would need a copy of the virtual tour without branding or any other details. Now, over to you, Arturs.
Hello everyone, I'm Arturs, mechanical engineer at Giraffe360. I'm here to run you through the latest improvements to our camera. This quarter we have carried out the most comprehensive camera update to date, including 4 new features: straightening preview, angle adjustment, a timer and a grid. The straightening preview allows you to see what the photo will look like after it has been straightened. Previously, sections of clients' photos were being cropped out because they didn't realize the camera wasn't straight. Now you can control it in real time. Even if the photo was taken without the straightened preview being turned on, you can still choose between straightened and unstraightened version after the capture. Additionally, we have implemented an option to delete photos directly from the camera. To assist you in ensuring the camera is straight, we have included a level measurement feature. When the camera is not straight, a level measurement appears as a red line across the camera screen. There is a point where the camera is so askew that straightening the photo is no longer possible, prompting a user with a notification alert. With the angle adjustment feature, users no longer need to adjust the tripod legs. They can simply use arrows to control the camera angle and capture the entire scene in the shot. This function can be combined with straightening to ensure that nothing gets cropped in the process. Based on the user surveys that we conducted, a timer feature was highly requested, so we got to work. The new feature offers 3 options: 3, 5 and 10-second timers. The grid feature has been implemented to facilitate centering objects and ensuring that the camera is straight. This update entailed significant changes to the user interface, so we created an entirely new menu. We have conducted surveys and performed extensive user testing to design the best user experience.
Hello everyone, I'm Marcus, Dach Lead at Giraffe360. Wir freuen uns, Ihnen mitzuteilen, dass wir nun auch in Deutschland integrierter Partner von ImmoScout24 sind. Das bedeutet, unsere virtuellen Touren werden direkt in Ihren Anzeigen dargestellt, was Ihnen den Vorteil höher gestufter Listings gibt und eine weitaus höhere Klickrate bietet als ein Angebot ohne virtuelle Tour.
Thank you for joining today. Thank you for all your ongoing trust and support. We're gonna be back in 90 days. Ciao.